In this video, we're going to speak about Azure Capacity Extender within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 console. This is a new premium feature that allows administrators to specify an alternate VM size preference in the event that Azure is facing capacity constraints within a specific region. This allows automation tasks such as start and create operations to continue using an alternate preference rather than the problem VM size. In order to configure this setting, we go to the properties of a host pool and choose the new Azure Capacity Extender menu. From here, we can enable, and we can see the host pool default VM size is a D2AS v5, so a v5 version of the D2AS, pretty small sized machine, and we can select our alternatives in the menu below. We can use resource rules to specify the types of machines that we want to use, and we can see that the machine sizes are ordered based on similarity in the menu. So I can choose the D2S v5 as an alternate option. Again, it has a very similar resource profile. If, however, I accidentally choose a machine which has a different resource profile, in this instance, double the cores and double the RAM, we can see that we get a warning message telling us that the size of this machine is drastically different to what the default pool VM size is configured as, and warning us that there may be cost or performance implications of this. We can therefore remove that problem type and choose something more appropriate. We then simply click Save or Save and Close, and our preferences are saved. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you very much for your time, and we will see you again.